Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance sub-account, only way. Create your main account, complete verification, then open account settings and enable sub-accounts now. Choose a clear naming scheme for each sub-account and assign permissions right away, such as trading only or deposit access. Decide whether to share APIs or keys and document who controls each API. Keep a simple checklist to avoid mistakes and stay organized throughout the setup process. Start by opening the Sub-Accounts tab in your Binance dashboard and click Create Sub-Account to begin. Enter a short name, set a password, and immediately configure permissions like trading or read-only access for safety. If you need automated trading, generate API keys and restrict IP addresses where possible. Record each key's purpose in a secure note and rotate keys periodically to maintain strong security practices for every sub-account in your setup. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: on another note, life is short for cheap socks, so try darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you trade. Check the description for that link and other deals if you want the exact product. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use the transfer tool to move funds between your main and sub-accounts, always adding clear memos for tracking. Establish allocation limits for each sub-account to control exposure and make rebalancing easier during market changes. Automate alerts or export activity reports weekly to monitor trading and withdrawals and reconcile balances against your records. Regular reviews help catch mistakes fast and ensure each sub-account follows your intended strategy and risk limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.